this is how we check mass communication. I'm again with another video to fix some problem of Apple iPhone. You see iPhone 12 I have at my hand. The problem could appear in iPhone 12, iPhone 11, iPhone 10, whatever version you have. Maybe you are trying to using your camera in some particular application and the camera is not working. For example, you are trying to use in Skype, in WhatsApp Messenger, in Facebook Messenger, but the cam is not working. Let me unlock my phone to show you. I'll go to Skype. Let's see. Here we go, Skype. So I'm trying a video call. Here you see video call button. Let's go. Speaker outside. But you see camera doesn't appear and you see the camera icon is crossed. I hit there saying I have to do something in setting. So the video call is not working. Let's do again. Video call. See the camera button is crossed here. If we hit, can't do that. This could happen in WhatsApp Messenger. It could happen another messenger. So what you have to do in this case, you have to go to setting of your phone. Let's go. Here we go. So we are in setting. At the setting top, type cameras. In the camera option you have so many options. Don't need to touch whatever option. The first one, as you see, camera privacy. Camera privacy, hit this one. You see these apps are allowed or not allowed to using the cam. For example, Messenger, I allow Messenger to use my cam. I apply Skype to use my cam, and WhatsApp. Only the app you will use with cam. Allow them to use your cam. Okay? Now go back. Let's try Skype again. Here we go. And here, hurry, I hit this button. So now you can see I'm here. Harry is here. So I can call. The camera is working without any problem. You can pause the cam, you see. Also, let's see one more time. It's working. If I want, I can pause. And also I can activate. So this is how you can fix the cam problem of your iPhone. Could be iPhone 12, iPhone 11, whatever phone you have. There will not be very difference in that cases. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. As always, for more information, go to the Ask Communication, www.askcommunication.com. Have a lovely evening. Take care. Till then, bye bye.